Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. We regret the inconvenience caused due to low quality video that was posted for 6th May. So the basic reason was not having access as I was traveling to proper software, and our intention was to give you the levels on whatever the software we had at our hand at that point in time. So, but after viewing the video, we ourselves felt let down, and that is why it is regretted. That incident is regretted. But the levels given were of help, and the levels, the range made for the last trading session is 16,481 on the upside and 16,340 on the downside. So within this range, 16,651, 615, 16,546 and 16,489 are met, and market went further down till 16,340, and within the gap all the levels and the three levels on the downside got met. Let us now move to larger time frame chart. That is now a 1-day chart, and you can see that so far 16,682 is acting as a resistance for almost 5 months, and that level is comfortably broken down, and that too with a huge gap down, and the candle formed is more like a doji. So under normal conditions, one can expect the market to move sideways for some time, considering that the overall trend is downwards. If there is a gap down, we may even see lower levels. So what are the levels that are important for us? 16,380, 16,238, and below which there will be very lower level, that is around 15,847. So the scenario is sideways possible. If there is a gap down, maybe 16,238 will get tested, and from there it may bounce, or else breach of which 16,238 you may go down till the level of 15,847. So if it doesn't happen in a day, in a couple of days you may see if the continuation of trend persists. So this is the intraday action. There is a gap down and a sideways action, sideways intraday action throughout the day. So the levels that we can look for tomorrow, that is 9th May, are 16,355, 16,238, 16,075, and then 16,000 and 15,840. The immediate levels which are possible on the downside are 16,345, then 16,238. So the levels of 16,075, 16,000 and 15,847 are possible if there is a gap down, or in a couple of days if the downtrend persists, continues. So the immediate levels that we'll be looking for tomorrow are 16,345 and then 16,238. On the upside, 16,450, 484 and 550. Even if there is any sideways move, you may see a bounce till the bank nifty. Let us now move to bank nifty. 34,797 on the upside. This was the intraday high. 34,353 is the intraday low. So this is the range within which bank nifty moved. the levels 50, 35,147, 35,026, 884, they are met in the gap down itself, and post gap down 630 also met. So all the levels on the downside, they're reached. So let us now move to a daily chart and a larger time frame chart of Bank Nifty. So weekly time frame chart of Bank Nifty, and so far these two lines were acting as supports, and this green line is now comfortably broken on a weekly time frame, and for a temporary support 34,332, and from where some recovery is seen in intraday action. So on a weekly time frame, you can see that the trend is negative. So you may see Bank Nifty testing this level and bouncing, or you may see a breach of this level 32,522 and going further down till this level on a weekly time frame. So it may not happen exactly tomorrow or in a day or two, but over a period of 2 to 4 weeks, you may see either reversal or breakdown of this level and moving towards 30,569 if the trend continues. So for tomorrow's view for the exact levels, let us first look at the daily time frame and then move to shorter time frame chart for the exact levels. So from daily time frame chart, you can see clearly that for some time this was the range, and this range got broken, and then these two lines, blue bands, were the range for almost 12 trading sessions, and 12th and 13th trading sessions this level got broken, and market went down till this other blue band. So even from a daily time frame chart, you can see that market maybe for a day or two remain sideways, or else if there is a gap down, it may try to test these levels 33,913, and from there it can look for reversal, or a breach of this level is also cannot be ruled out, considering that this high is lower than the previous high. So you may expect a as low as so for the exact levels, let us now move to shorter time frame chart, that is 5 minutes or 15 minutes. The levels that we can look for Monday, that is tomorrow, are indicated here on the downside 34,600, 34,500, 353, below which if there is a gap down you may see 33,913 as well, as this is very much possible. If there is a sideway action, you may see a bounce till 797, 950 and 35,050 on the top side. So considering that market has moved violently, and you can see that there are so many red lines, and this trend line is being respected. Only violation is these three lines, so the sentiment is negative. You may see, you have already seen this level, so the level to look for is 33,000, exactly 33,913, 900 to 913, and below which you may see the market or Bank Nifty testing 32,120 levels. So keep these levels in mind, and trade your take the trades carefully. And as a trader, I prefer to take if there is any, what do you call, gap up, or there is any opening gains. I would prefer to take a trade on the right side with the defined risk, that is through stop loss. So don't lose much of your capital thinking that market behave in the way you wish it to move, and when you are in the right direction, when to take the profit, or if the market goes against your view, when to get out of the trade with a zero loss or a predefined loss. So the protect your capital, don't lose much of it. Take care, trade well, bye bye.